Mark chapter 5 마가복음 5장. Jesus heals a man with a demon. 귀신 들린 사람을 고치시다. They came to the other side of the sea, to the country of the Gerasenes. 예수께서 바다 건너편 거라사인의 지방에 이르러 And when Jesus had stepped out of the boat, immediately there met him out of the tomb a man with an unclean spirit. 배에서 나오심에 곧 더러운 귀신 들린 사람이 무덤 사이에서 나와 예수를 만나니라. He lived among the tombs, and no one could bind him anymore, not even with a chain. 그 사람은 무덤 사이에 거처하는데 이제는 아무도 그를 쇠사슬로도 밀 수 없게 되었으니 For he had often been bound with shackles and chains, but he wrenched the chains apart and he broke the shackles in pieces. No one had the strength to subdue him. 이는 여러 번 고랑과 쇠사슬에 매었어도 쇠사슬을 끊고 고랑을 깨뜨렸음이러라. 그리하여 아무도 그를 제어할 힘이 없는지라. Night and day among the tombs and on the mountains he was always crying out and cutting himself with stones. 밤낮 무덤 사이에서나 산에서나 늘 소리 지르며 돌로 자기의 몸을 해치고 있었더라. And when he saw Jesus from afar, he ran and fell down before him. 그가 멀리서 예수를 보고 달려와 절하며 And crying out with a loud voice, he said, What have you to do with me, Jesus, Son of the Most High God? I adjure you, by God, do not torment me. 큰 소리로 부르짖어 이르되 지극히 높으신 하나님의 아들 예수여, 나와 당신이 무슨 상관이 있나이까? 원하건대 하나님 앞에 맹세하고 나를 괴롭히지 마옵소서 하니 For he was saying to him, Come out of the man, you unclean spirit. 이는 예수께서 이미 그에게 이르시기를 더러운 귀신아 그 사람에게서 나오라 하셨음이라. And Jesus asked him, What is your name? He replied, My name is Legion, for we are many. 이에 물으시되 내 이름이 무엇이냐? 이르되 내 이름은 군대니 우리가 많음이니이다 하고, and he begged him earnestly not to send them out of the country. 자기를 그 지방에서 내보내지 마시기를 간구하더니, Now a great herd of pigs was feeding there on the hillside. 마침 거기 돼지의 큰 떼가 산 곁에서 먹고 있는지라. And they begged him, saying, Send us to the pigs, let us enter them. 이에 간구하여 이르되 우리를 돼지에게로 보내어 들어가게 하소서 하니, So he gave them permission, and the unclean spirits came out and entered the pigs, and the herd, numbering about 2,000, rushed down the steep bank into the sea and drowned in the sea. 허락하신대 더러운 귀신들이 나와서 돼지에게로 들어가매 거의 2,000마리 되는 떼가 바다를 향하여 비탈로 내리다라 바다에서 몰사하거늘. The herdmen fled and told it in the city and in the country, and people came to see what it was that had happened. 치던 자들이 도망하여 읍내와 여러 마을에 말하니 사람들이 어떻게 되었는지를 보러 와서, And they came to Jesus and saw the demon-possessed man, the one who had had the legion, sitting there, clothed and in his right mind, and they were afraid. 예수께 이르러 그 귀신 들렸던 자, 곧 군대 귀신 집혔던 자가 옷을 입고 정신이 온전하여 앉은 것을 보고 두려워하더라. And those who had seen it described to them what had happened to the demon-possessed man and to the pigs. 이에 귀신 들렸던 자가 당한 것과 돼지의 일을 본 자들이 그들에게 알림해, and they began to beg Jesus to depart from their region. 그들이 예수께 그 지방에서 떠나시기를 간구하더라. As he was getting into the boat, the man who had been possessed with demons begged him that he might be with him. 예수께서 배에 오르실 때에 귀신 들렸던 사람이 함께 있기를 간구하였으나 and he did not permit him, but said to him, Go home to your friends and tell them how much the Lord has done for you and how he has had mercy on you. 허락하지 아니하시고 그에게 이르시되 집으로 돌아가 주께서 내게 어떻게 큰 일을 행하사 너를 불쌍히 여기신 것을 내 가족에게 알리라 하시니 and he went away and began to proclaim in the Decapolis how much Jesus had done for him, and everyone marveled. 그가 가서 예수께서 자기에게 어떻게 큰일 행하셨는지를 데가볼리에 전파하니 모든 사람이 놀랍게 여기더라. Jesus heals a woman and Jairus' daughter. 야이로의 딸과 예수의 옷에 손을 댄 여자. And when Jesus had crossed again in the boat to the other side, a great crowd gathered about him, and he was beside the sea. 예수께서 배를 타시고 다시 맞은편으로 건너가시니 큰 무리가 그에게로 모이거늘 이에 바닷가에 계시더니 Then came one of the rulers of the synagogue, Jairus by name, and seeing him, he fell at his feet. 회당장 중에 하나인 야이로라 하는 이가 와서 예수를 보고 발 아래 엎드려 and implored him earnestly, saying, My little daughter is at the point of death. Come and lay your hands on her, so that she may be made well and live. 간곡히 구하여 이르되 내 어린 딸이 죽게 되었사오니 오셔서 그 위에 손을 얹으사 그로 구원을 받아 살게 하소서 하거늘 And he went with him, and a great crowd followed him and thronged about him. 이에 그와 함께 가실새 큰 무리가 따라가며 애워싸 밀더라. And there was a woman who had had a discharge of blood for 12 years. 12해를 혈루증으로 앓아온 한 여자가 있어 and who had suffered much under many physicians and had spent all that she had, and was no better but rather grew worse. 많은 의사에게 많은 괴로움을 받았고 가진 것도 다 허비하였을 때 아무 효험이 없고 도리어 더 중하여졌던 차에 she had heard the report about Jesus and came up behind him in the crowd and touched his garment. 예수의 소문을 듣고 무리 가운데에 끼어 뒤로 와서 그의 옷에 손을 대니 For she said, If I touch even his garment, I'll be made well. 이는 내가 그의 옷에만 손을 대어도 구원을 받으리라 생각함일러라. And immediately the flow of blood dried up, and she felt in her body that she was healed of her disease. 이에 그의 혈루 근원이 곧 마름에 병이 나은 줄을 몸에 깨달으니라. And Jesus, perceiving in himself that power had gone out from him, immediately turned about in the crowd and said, Who touched my garment? 예수께서 그 능력이 자기에게서 나간 줄을 곧 스스로 아시고 우리 가운데서 돌이켜 말씀하시되 누가 내 옷에 손을 대었느냐 하시니 And his disciples said to him, You see the crowd pressing around. 제자들이 여짜오되 무리가 에워싸미는 것을 보시며 누가 내게 손을 대었느냐 물으시나이까. 네. And yet you say, Who touched me? And he looked around to see who had done it. 예수께서 이 일 행한 여자를 보려고 둘러보시니 But the woman, knowing what had happened to her, came in fear and trembling and fell down before him and said, and told him the whole truth. 여자가 자기에게 이루어진 일을 알고 두려워하여 떨며 와서 그 앞에 엎드려 모든 사실을 여쭈니 And he said to her, Daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace and be healed of your disease. 예수께서 이르시되 딸아 내 믿음이 너를 구원하였으니 평안히 가라. 내 병에서 놓여 건강할지어다. While he was still speaking, there came from the ruler's house some who said, "Your daughter is dead. Why trouble the teachers any further?" The teacher. 아직 예수께서 말씀하실 때에 회당장의 집에서 사람들이 와서 회당장에게 이르되, 당신의 딸이 죽었나이다. 어찌하여 선생을 더 괴롭게 하나이까? But overhearing what they said, Jesus said to the ruler of the synagogue, "Do not fear, only believe." 예수께서 그 하는 말을 곁에서 들으시고 회당장에게 이르시되, 두려워하지 말고 믿기만 하라 하시고, and he allowed no one to follow him except Peter and James and John, the brother of James. 베드로와 야고보와 야고보의 형제 요한 외에 아무도 따라옴을 허락하지 아니하시고, they came to the house of the ruler of the synagogue, and Jesus saw a commotion, people weeping and wailing loudly. 회당장의 집에 함께 가사 떠드는 것과 사람들이 울며 심히 통곡함을 보시고, and when he had entered, he said to them, "Why are you making a commotion and weeping? The child is not dead, but sleeping." 들어가서 그들에게 이르시되, 너희가 어찌하여 떠들며 우느냐? 이 아이가 죽은 것이 아니라 잔다 하시니, and they laughed at him. But he put them all outside and took the child's father and mother and those who were with him and went in where the child was. 그들이 비웃더라. 예수께서 그들을 다 내보내신 후에 아이의 부모와 또 자기와 함께한 자들을 데리시고 아이 있는 곳에 들어가사, taking her by the hand, he said to her, "Talitha Kumi," which means, "Little girl, I say to you, arise." 그 아이의 손을 잡고 이르시되, 달리다굼 하시니, 번역하면 곧 내가 내게 말하노니, 소녀야 일어나라 하심이라. And immediately the girl got up and began walking, for she was 12 years of age. and they were immediately overcome with amazement. 소녀가 곧 일어나서 걸으니 나이가 12살이라 사람들이 꼭 크게 놀라거늘 and he strictly charged them that no one should know this and told them to give her something to eat. 예수께서 이 일을 아무도 알지 못하게 하라고 그들을 많이 경계하시고 이에 소녀에게 먹을 것을 주라 하시니라.